Hi, yes, I'm meteorologist Paul Dorian here on Wednesday, January 25th. Yesterday was quite a mild day here in the Mid-Atlantic region, and today will be a little bit cooler than yesterday, but still above normal with a mixture of clouds and sunshine. Our next rain event is gathering itself together in the southern part of the country across Texas and Louisiana. Lots of showers and thunderstorms, some of which are severe, will be moving in a general direction towards the Mid-Atlantic region. The bulk of that rainfall here will occur from late tomorrow afternoon into early Friday, anywhere from about a half an inch to an inch of rain. It should be quite a soaker tomorrow night in much of the Mid-Atlantic region. Now, there is a chance of a light amount of precipitation very late tonight towards morning and the early part of tomorrow, at which time temperatures can be near freezing. So a wintry mix, a light wintry mix is possible towards morning into the early part of tomorrow on Thursday, but the heaviest, steadiest rain will fall from late tomorrow afternoon through tomorrow night into the first part of Friday. Let's take a look at the latest surface map. Cold front has gone off the east coast now. It's way down into the Gulf region. High pressure is moving in, although there are some clouds around, stubborn low clouds, and at best we'll have a mixture of clouds and sunshine today, not a full day of sunshine, but it will be dry. Meanwhile, lots of moisture is gathering itself down here across the Texas, Louisiana area, some showers and some severe thunderstorm possibilities, including the threat of tornadoes later today, anywhere from eastern Texas across parts of Louisiana into Mississippi. All of this is going to make a move towards the Mid-Atlantic region and will move into our region late tomorrow through tomorrow night into the early part of Friday. Well, let's take a look at the radar down in the southern part of the country, because this is where the rain is that is headed our way, and there's quite a line of strong thunderstorms right now across central Texas, and anywhere from Houston all the way into much of Louisiana. They can have severe thunderstorms over the next several hours, and this is quite a healthy system that will make a turn to the northeast and head in our general direction. And again, the bulk of the precipitation here will fall in the form of rain from late tomorrow afternoon through tomorrow night into early Friday. There can be a light mixture, a wintry mix very late tonight towards morning, the early part of tomorrow, but the bulk of the precip will be rain from late tomorrow afternoon on. Here's the latest IR composite satellite loop. Lots of high clouds here associated with this squall line that has developed across central Texas, headed towards eastern Texas and into at least the central and northern part of Louisiana. This is, again, quite a healthy system that will head right towards the northeast into the Mid-Atlantic region by later on tomorrow, and again, we'll have a soaking rain event, especially tomorrow night, with perhaps up to an inch in some parts of the Mid-Atlantic region. There are some low clouds around here right now, and they'll be kind of stubborn to give way to some sunshine, but we can have sunny intervals later on today. It will remain dry for the most part right through the day. Again, a little bit of light precipitation possible towards morning. Well, let's walk through the GFS from tonight to tomorrow morning and then tomorrow night. Still dry here in the Mid-Atlantic region, dry and chilly. There's high pressure basically sitting over us for the rest of today into tonight, and it's kind of a chilly air mass, but nothing at all unusual for this time of the year. Meanwhile, all the moisture is now starting to turn towards the northeast. This is headed in general northeast direction, and notice there's a little bit of precipitation dumped out here by the GFS model in the Ohio Valley, well ahead of the main precipitation area. This is a little bit of a concern here, again, for very late tonight into early tomorrow, as temperatures hover around the freezing mark in parts of the Mid-Atlantic region. And here's GFS map for tomorrow morning. A little bit of light precipitation from Washington across to Philadelphia. The coldest air has retreated to the north by this time, but there'll be a close call between, let's say, 32, 33, 34 degrees possible towards morning. So there's a little bit of a threat for a wintry mix very late tonight, early tomorrow. But again, the steadiest, heaviest stuff is holding off until later on tomorrow afternoon and night. And here's the GFS for tomorrow night. By this time, the cold air has certainly retreated well up into New England, and the steadiest precipitation is now moving in to the Mid-Atlantic region in the form of rain. We'll have quite a soaking event from late tomorrow afternoon through tomorrow night, and it'll take a little time for it to end on Friday, so it'll continue to the Friday morning hours in much of the Mid-Atlantic region, but then by Friday afternoon, it'll be breezy and quite mild for this time of the year, with temperatures once again approaching 50 degrees here in the Mid-Atlantic region. That's Friday afternoon after the rain event has ended. Well, that's it for now for the SIWeather.com. I'm meteorologist Paul Dorian.